let's have a look. Okay, you see that black stripe right there on the gray? That's got to go. See the bee's nest? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bee's nests got to come off of here. All right, and we'll clean this mold up around here, around the AC. And there's a spot way down there that we're going to get on the way out. We'll do it. We got to tape up the electrical box and spray some straight stuff on it, and then just rinse it off, and then it'll be done. All right. Okay, let's look at this mold that we got going on here. I'm going to get ahead and downstream all this. See all this black stuff? We'll just power wash it off. Usually I just spray that with some straight. Well, we got just going to go around the dumpsters as best we can. Not going to get too crazy here. Anyway, this is what we got. Then we got on the outside of the wall as well. It's got black on it. And then we have this caged area over here that we're going to get done. We got mold on this door here too. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to get this area. We got it unlocked for me. And we got black mold here on the back side of the wall. All right. I'll go ahead and spray this off. We got to be careful around here. All right. All right. And then also, we have to get these louvers. You noticed some stuff up here when I was here the other day. Yeah, see there's some green stuff. Green stuff on all this. Go ahead and clean that up as well. And then the place will be looking spiffy. Then we're going to be going around the front here. Might as well have our review. We're going to clean the sidewalk from here all the way around down that way. We're going to clean all the benches that are out front there. And get these louvers cleaned up as well. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. And we got a lot of work to do, man. Let's get after it. All right, we got it all SH'd, sticky ickade. Let that eat for a little while. It's getting all the green off. All these doors had green all in them. The walls had a green tint. That's going away. The black's kind of fading away. I'm gonna go get the pump up sprayer and we're gonna go ahead and just hit that black stuff with the pump up sprayer and let it soak while we're go ahead and chlorinate all that stuff up there, get all this done in the louvers. Then we'll rinse all this off and we'll knock those bees nests down. That's going to be interesting to watch that. Probably going to have to put that 16-foot wand back together. At least double it, what I have. We'll have to see how it works out. All right, let's get after it. All right, that's how you apply it. Now, those bees nests up there are very soaked. Still got that black stuff, so we're gonna go ahead and get an extension. I have an 8-footer over there. I'm gonna add another 8-foot to that and tie strap a 3-footer in the middle so I don't get a bunch of whip. And we'll be able to get those bees nests and we'll be able to get that black stuff off of there up there. All right, we'll be right back. Okay, now let's see if the third bar, I put another 7-footer in between there and then I got a 3-footer. So that should take the whip out, you would think, right? I guess we're gonna find out. Let's rock and roll. Whip it good, baby. Okay, let's see. Yeah, baby. Strong action there, baby. Look at that. Bees be gone, just called on. All right, let's get after it. All right, now, all we gotta do is rinse those louvers off over there. Everything's been SH'd. The building's been SH'd, it's got a little bit more rinsing to do. There's still some black stuff up there, so we're gonna hit some more SH up there, let it sit for a little while longer, then we'll use that jet extension again to get after it. All right, and then we also have, I took that pump sprayer and just hit the very top of the wall where that black stuff was. We're gonna go after this next. Oh yeah, look. See that? Nice. All we gotta do is mini Mondu the cement, rinse all this stuff off, put a little bit more SH up there. We got a spot down there at the end, we'll get that last. We're gonna wrap this up on the side right here and get this done, that done, this done. Then we're gonna go right to the front, get that done. And you know what? My truck is parked right there. So far, I haven't had to move it. I was able to do that whole building over there. I was able to come down here, get all this done, and things are working out great. And I should be able to just mosey right on over that way. Then I'll unhook my hoses from the truck, and I'll just go ahead and get the trailer positioned at the end of the job where I can just reel everything right into the truck. All right, today's going nice and smooth, and get after it. It's all you have to do. All right, I hope everybody's enjoying it. Get after it. All right, let's take a look at this dumpster here. We're going to be getting after it. You see the top of the wall there? It's just got slight stuff that'll rinse right off. All right, let's see what it did to the outside. All right, it's just got a very little bit left. We'll rinse that off. Everything will look brand new. All those louvers over there look brand new. The windows look all nice and shiny. That's all nice and clean over there. All right. Now all we got to do is get after the cement here, go on the other side and go in that little caged area, and we'll be done with this part of the job. And then we'll be able to get over to the front and get after that part over there. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. Everything's all cleaned up. The wall's all nice and squeaky clean. Let's go out on this side. The only thing I didn't do was get all the garbage out. I don't think I see a garbage truck out there, do you? And there's some more garbage. Dan, all you need is a shovel and a broom, brother. All right, now let's get this puppy done over here. All right, we've already rinsed all that. All the louvers are nice and clean. All the bees are gone. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a review of this. Got the wall all nice and squeaky clean. The concrete's all clean. All that's clean, bee free. I just got to hit one more time up there with the jet wash tip and the 20-foot long wand. All this has been cleaned here, all spotlessly, marvelously cleaned. A little tongue twist in there. And look at that, that looks really nice. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and clean all these louvers, chlorinate all this stuff in the front, and then we're gonna be out of here. We're gonna do the sidewalks right from here all the way down. All right, let's rock and roll. All right, let's take a final review of this area. All that came nice and clean all the way across. All the bees' nests are gone. All this is nice and bright and white again. Cleaned up this mold down here that was gathering by the AC. All these windows were cleaned, washed off. All those louvers over there were cleaned and washed off. This dumpster area is cleaned. All the black's off the wall. Everything looks nice and clean. There you go. Job well done. Got one more section to do, then we'll be done for the day. It's a long day, a lot of work. Got this all done. The wall's nice and clean. Everybody should be happy when they get back here tomorrow. Well, we got that hurricane coming, but I don't think it's gonna go north. We're gonna get lucky again, folks.